Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to turn on and off animation effects on your Windows 11. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, just follow my easy and simple method. First you need to open your Windows 11 settings, hold Windows key and press I. With this help of shortcut key you can easily open your Windows 11 settings. Okay, in the left panel you can get the option accessibility. Just click on it. From the right panel you want to find out visual effect, just click on it option. Okay, and here you can get the option animation effects. From here you can easily turn on and turn off this option. That's it, very simple. So from here you can easily enable and disable animation effects on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.